Could this be the supercar that changes everything? The 2026 McLaren GTS is shaping up to be a masterpiece of power, beauty, and versatility. The kind of ride that makes your pulse race before you even hit the ignition. Sleeker, smarter, and now rumored to pack hybrid punch. This thing could redefine what it means to drive a McLaren every day. Right away, that design turns heads. Picture a sculpted silhouette that looks like it's slicing through air even when it's parked. The front grille is bolder, the LED light's signature sharper, and those aerodynamic curves? Pure art in motion. Imagine the camera panning along those flowing lines as the sunlight dances off a new metallic orange finish. Absolutely stunning. Now, under the hood, the buzz is all about McLaren's next-gen hybrid system. We're talking instant electric torque for that zippy, launch control feel, paired with a twin-turbo V6 rumored to deliver the kind of acceleration that glues you to your seat. But here's the twist, it's also tuned for better range and smoother daily driving. Whisper quiet in city mode, wild and untamed when you hit track settings. And get this, McLaren might be dialing in something we've never really seen before, light off-road adaptability. Think of it as a grand touring supercar that doesn't panic when the pavement ends. Slightly raised adaptive suspension, smarter traction systems, and drive modes built for gravel or wet terrain. It's not a rally car, but it's definitely adventure-ready. Now, picture stepping inside. The cabin feels like a futuristic lounge, minimalist yet luxurious. Expect a massive touchscreen that wraps toward the driver, a crystal-clear digital dash, and seats designed for long-distance comfort without losing that race car edge. Every button, every stitch, feels intentional, less clutter, more connection. Pricing? Early chatter suggests a starting point around $250,000, putting it between the GT and 750S. And that's a sweet spot for buyers who want McLaren performance without full race car commitment. But how does it stack up to older models? Think of the GTS as the evolution of the GT. Faster, lighter, greener, and far more practical. It's built for everyday supercar fans who crave thrill and refinement. Now, these details come from the latest industry buzz and early prototype leaks, so stay tuned for official specs from McLaren soon. But one thing's certain, the 2026 GTS looks ready to blend speed, luxury, and versatility in a way we've never seen before. So, what do you think? Would you pick the new GTS over something like a Ferrari Roma Spider or Porsche 911 Turbo S? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the next generation of performance cars.